What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to see why Dynamics 365. Like we have so many CRM products in the market like Salesforce, Zoho and Dynamics 365, but how this Dynamics 365 is better and how this Microsoft product can help you manage the customer data, that is not just the sales, marketing and services but a lot more. Let's get to the video.
Dynamic 365 is flexible as it eliminates the need to manage your own data centers and servers. Rather, Microsoft do it for you. It provides this facility to view your analytical data in form of charts, which makes it easy to understand and study the insights of sales and marketing better. It provides this comfort of not developing your application from scratch. Rather, there are out of the box things and you can customize it according to the requirement, which makes it adaptable. So these are the building blocks that I call them as, or you can also refer to them as CRM modules, that is marketing, sales and services. In marketing, you can keep track of what marketing strategy you opted, how much you invested and which marketing did work for you. And in sales, you have actionable artificial intelligence driven sales insights. In services, you can keep track of what service is needed by what customer. You can deploy your application as a cloud service or on premises. It has seamless integration with other Microsoft products such as Outlook, Skype for businesses, Office 365, SharePoint, Power Apps, Power BI apps. It has powerful built-in LinkedIn Sales Navigator applications platform, and you can import or export your data into Excel or PDF. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.